Hey everybody, it is Friday night. It is November 23rd? 22nd. Hey Google. Hey Google. What's the date?
It is Friday, the 22nd of November 2019.
There you go. So it's November 22nd. And it's Friday night. So how do I do Friday night? I'm wearing my onesie pajamas. See? It has teddy bears. There's no feet on this one. And I took out my sewing machine and I'm starting to make the bags for the advent calendar that I was making, that I had an idea for. So I'm going to show you that. My sewing machine, some of the material I am sewing together. See? That's what I'm doing tonight. Jeff's supposed to get home this evening late, I believe. I'll show you the little bag. So I had some material. So this is like one bag. My first bag. So I got this sewing machine and I never used it before. So I got it from my stepmom who never used it like once. And it's a new, well, fairly new one. It has like 30 buttons. It's a Singer Advance. I'll turn this way so you can see what it is. A Singer Advance. It has all these buttons. I have to figure out how to use. But I don't know how to sew. I can sew a straight line-ish, as you'll see in my finished product. So I first started on just some material here. But my first bag, I'm like, oh, it's the edge. It's a little bit small. It fits my finger. So this bag might just fit like 2 Hershey Kisses. So and then I have some, and then I was making it with the ends like that, so that could fit like a couple tea bags. So I'm planning on either making 2 sets of 24 bags, or at least 1 set of 24, and then put 2 of everything in for both my girls. And then I have some bigger ones, and then my biggest bag here, one. So the material I got from the thrift store, and I think it was like a flag, a Christmas flag material. So this is the season. And it has a Santa, and I'm just ripping it in pieces, like cutting it in pieces, so it has all the color. I try to get one with like his head. Maybe that one will be like the 25th. But so I got that, and I'll show you what else I got. I got enough to make this for 2. Oh, wait, is it? Okay, all right. I'm going to put that down where I'm going to sit. Let's see, here is the little clips. They were like $1.25. So I got 2 sets of those type. 2 sets of this type. And 2 sets of this. Because the only one that had more of was this type. Everything else, they only had all this type. And I got the other ones. But there's only 10 in each one. So I figure if I'm going to do 2 sets of 24, I'll do 10, 10. Well, actually, I'll just do a mixture. Do 1 package of these, 1 package of these, and then 4 of these. Or do 2 of these, and then 2 of the other ones, and 4. Now just write numbers on the little clips, or maybe on the bag. I haven't quite figured out that part. Depends on, see, my ideas might be bigger than my time, considering I have so much cleaning I have to do to get this place in order. And then I have some furniture I need to move around so that I can put the tree up, because where the tree used to go, I have a cat tree there, and we have Peter, the cat, who loves to climb the tree. So I don't know how he's going to do with a real or fake tree. Like we got a fake tree last year from Amazon. Every so the way it used to be, I had a tree that I had from my mom. Okay, and it was one that you had to sort the arms of the tree and by different lengths. Well, the stickers of the levels were coming off, so I had to take them all out and measure them against every other branch. And it took a long time to set up the tree, just to set up the tree. So, what we would do, we'd have a fake tree one year, have a real tree we usually get it from IKEA. We got, because you pay $25 or something for the tree, and you get a $20 gift certificate to use in January in the store. And we used to do that. Or we get a local tree for about $25. I'm getting like the cheapest real tree. I'm not spending huge amounts of money on a real tree because it's just going to the curb at the end of the day. So, but personally, I like a fake tree versus a real tree because there's so much leaves that fall from a real tree and so much more watering, and you have to be really, really careful that's not dry so it doesn't cause like a fire hazard and all that stuff. My husband likes a real tree because at the end of the day, I can't keep up a real tree for very long. I love Christmas so much, and sometimes it gets very disorganized and chaotic, that one year we had the tree up the whole year. We had it in the corner of our place, and we had it up, and we just put the chair back in front of the tree. So the tree was behind the chair, and we just kind of like ignored it. And then I'm like, oh, that's when the kids were really small, and life was really hectic with lots of travels to hospitals and stuff. So it was on the least of my things to do. That was the best Christmas after the second Christmas, because I didn't even have to decorate the tree. It was already done. And I just had to plug it in and turn it on. It was easy. But this new tree we got, it's an easy assemble tree. And there's a base, and then there's two parts, and they click together, and it's already lit. But I did go pick up new garland, because last year our garland, one of our tinsely garland stuff, was in pieces about 3 feet length. And it looked semi-pathetic if you looked close to it. But that's about it. So I'm hoping that maybe before, but probably after the Black Friday charity event that I'm doing next Friday, we'll have the tree up, or at least the space where we're going to put the tree. Maybe we'll have something. I'll at least have the advent calendar stuff up if I get that all done. So, but I just thought I would share with you the fun and exciting times on a Friday night here in Kanata, Ontario, Canada. This is how wild mums do it. We do a craft. I don't even know how to sew, but I'm teaching myself how to sew. And just getting in the spirit of Christmas and in fuzzy PJs, because it's night. Because, who doesn't want to wear a onesie? Anybody can wear a onesie. But yeah, the onesie has panda bears and hearts and musical notes. So, and that's it. I just thought I would share with you. My hair looks quite orange with this light at night. So the yellow light makes my hair quite orange, but it's not this orangey brown. I was just noticing it. But there it is. So I thought I would share with you. Oh yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Somehow YouTube has been messing up my subscribers numbers, and I've lost a few over the past few weeks. So, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that bell, and then you'll get notified when the next video comes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye, friends. See you in the next video. Bye.